Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's long time. After long time, today I am creating another video for my channel. This video is different from my others video. This is about meditation. A lot of people know what is meditation, but today I am who did not know about meditation. Today I am going to say something. Meditation is a perfect thing that give you calm in your mind, that give you feel fresh mind. And I research on meditation, and I looks up for meditation app, and I used a lot of meditation app, and finally I got some app that help you to give you a perfect meditation. So before starting review of meditation app, I want to say that please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, then don't forget to comment, like and share. Please, if you like this video, please share this video on your social media account like Facebook, Twitter. Please share. Thank you so much. So let's go. Here meditation app. That's all app are meditation app. I installed. I researched on many apps, and finally I select this app. But today I'm not going to show you all. I'm going to show you 10 apps that help you to give freshness and perfect meditate. So let's go. At first I placed the app called Bodify. I think this is a perfect app. I placed this app at first place because you can use this app at offline. So I am placed this app at first rank. So this is Bodify. When you open this Bodify app, you find you got some like this, then slide, then tap cross, and then you got like this skin. And here you see that what happens. You can edit the step, but I don't need to edit. So what's happened? You don't need to tap this. Just at first you see that walking up. In this section, there have a lot of option. So good, allowing, shine, warm, good. This is 8 minutes audio. When you press here, it's playing
Good morning.
audio.
This meditation is
Good
best
morning.
listened to whilst
It's a good morning. Why it's a good morning? Because this meditation is walking up one, walking about, and then meditation 101. This is meditation for anywhere, and then just meditation, then stress and difficult emotion. This is meditation when you feel stress or when you face difficult emotion, then you can listen thus 12 minutes audio, 8 minutes audio, 4-minute audio. That's help you for forgetting your stress, taking meditation. Then thus traveling meditation, walking meditation. When you walking, then you can listen thus meditation. So that's it. There have a lot of categories: using your phone, growing the lovely, going to sleep, before going to sleep you can listen this. I know that this is a paid app, but if you buy this app from Google Play Store, then I don't think you lose your money. I hope this app will help you to take perfect meditation. So you can buy this app without any hesitation. And if you have don't money, then you can install this app from black market by searching Google. So the engine is also perfect meditation app that's help you to take meditation. At first you will see quotes, some quotes that's help you to pitch is the break between two words. Every day they pick some awesome quotation that's help you to improve your self esteem. So let's see meditation, about meditation. So here called is this section is called therapy. When you here place your mood, if you sad then scroll it in sad side. If you feel fun then you can, what happened, you can scroll this here and play. Then
Hello. I'm glad that
someone
today you're
will
feeling
help
better and
you
more
to
excited.
take meditation. It's
I've prepared.
perfect. I like it so much, but this is an online base, so I don't use that often, but this is awesome. And here you get a lot of meditation, and I hope I think this app also an premier app, but if you have money then buy it without any hesitation. I hope you did not lose your money. So Jen is perfect, so we are going to show you another app that will help you to take meditation and also help you to boost your brain. So let's see that app called Lumosity. So we are going to Play Store and search Lumosity. Search, and at first you will got this, and here Lumosity open, and in this section you will get everyday 5 games in classics. I already played those games, and first I show you meditation section. This called meditation, mindfulness. In mindfulness you will got a lot of categories. Body scanning, that's called body scanning. Start course, when you press on start course, here step by step fast body scan.
In this session, we'll practice the technique of body scanning.
This is so perfect. I hope if you have not enough money buy this all app, then you can buy this app. Only you can buy this app. This app also have meditation and also have some gaming boost. If you have more money and you have always you are in online, then you can buy Gene and this app. Or if you have money but you don't want to buy those 3 apps, then you can buy this app and Bodify. Because you, if you are in on by chance in offline, then you can also use Bodify anywhere. That's why I am suggesting, you to buy Bodify. And here in this Lumicity app you got a lot of things like games. In this section you have memory games that help you to improve your memory skill speed. This app also help you to improve your speed. I think this is really work for anyone. I use this app every day, and this app helped me too much to increase my focus, my speed, my memory skill, attention. So I'm going to show you one game of this app, not showing you all games. I hope see that's a game by yourself. So let's see one app. This called River Ranger. This what kind of speed? This game will help you to increase your speed. I hope this game also help you to increase your memory. So let's see how we play this game. This game is so simple but awesome. Like you can use headphone like gas common. So which one is common? This one is common. This one is common. This one is common. Mistake. This one is common. This one is common. This one is common. So I'm not going to play full game. So that's it. I know that I can show you all this app in details, but I show you main thing. I hope a lot of people will say that I did not show anything. I just show up. No, I show you good thing. I hope these three app, this and this three app is perfect for anyone who want to take meditation and increase their self-esteem, their personality, their memory. And why I show you some game app. Did not want to show you game app, but this is I did not play any game. In my phone you did not find any game, but I played this game because this game is a brain game, so that's help me to exercise of my brain. So I'm showing you this app, and I know that I'm going to from my track, but this app also help you to take meditation, sleep pillow, meditation mode, gene, claim is also part a super app that's help you to take meditation. Here you can find some sound that's help you to feel fresh when you are in meditation. Plug your headphone and close your eyes and just feel that sound. Inhale plus meditate and you find all those meditation. Here you can download those meditation and by pressing download. Here I already download 100 here. Just downloading. You can play this offline and download complete. So this is also
Welcome to day 2 of the 7 days of managing stress.
I hope this app also good for meditation. So I'm suggesting you 4 app for taking meditation. I see that video is going to so large. I don't want to make large video. That's why I show you in short. I show you in shortly, but I want you to show you in details. But if you want to know in details about this app, then comment in. Then don't need to comment. Search in Google. I hope you will get a lot of things. If you want to know about Modify details, then search on Google Modify. Then if you want to know about details in gene, then search on Google gene claim lumicity. I hope you find your answer. I show you just I in this video I just suggest you five, sorry, not five, four best app that help you to take meditation. And I am also, if you have money, so I am also suggesting you another app that's called Hat. Let's see, Hat Space. This Headspace, you can download it free, but in this app they have some package. You need to buy this package and then you can use this full month or full year. So this app also so good app for meditation and mindfulness. So I'm going to stop this video recording. So at last moment I want to say something about my channel, that don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to watch my previous video, because I always upload useful thing in my channel. I did not upload any useless thing in my channel. So you can watch my channel's video. Thus I hope I hope all my video is helpful for everyone. And don't forget to please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. And sorry my spoken English skill, I don't have good skill on English, but I need to speak because creating my video. So sorry about my language, and thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day or have a nice night. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.